Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about one of the simple Java entry question. What are the rules for catching multiple exceptions? What are the rules for catching multiple exceptions? So let's see an example. So I have a method called display. If you go to the display method, I am throwing through two exceptions. I have written an example for multiple throws. Okay, so this method will throw child1 exception and file not found exception. Okay, somehow this method will try to throw these two exceptions based on some condition. Okay, this is just a demo code trying to throw two different exceptions. A more specific catch block must be precede a more general one in the source, else it will give compilation error. So the very important point is the two exceptions that you are throwing should be handled in the called method. Actually, we are handling it file not found exception and catch child one exception and a common exception. Apart from these two exceptions, if you are getting any other exception, it will be cached here. So this exception will be handled by this block, this exception will be handled by this block, and apart from this, if there is any other error, okay, or exception, it will be handled in the exception block. So if I remove this is the base class and the order should be like this: child and the base class. So it should start with subclasses, then it will end with the base class. So if I remove that, it will not give you any error because we are throwing two exceptions and we are able to handle those two exceptions here. So compiler will not compile, the compiler will not complain. Okay, so I remove this and paste it. So if I remove these two, what will happen? Let's see. It says unhandled exception type child1 exception. So you are throwing a child1 exception, but there is no handler catch block for that exception. So compiler will cry. We have to give this. Okay, now I'm going to remove the other two. Okay, let's see what it says. Again the same problem. It says you are throwing two exception, out of that one is handled, okay, and the other one I don't know how to handle. So file not found exception, there is no catch block for file not found exception. That's what it says. Okay, so I'm bringing it back. And the second point is only one catch block, that is first applicable one, will be executed. So for example, file not found exception is thrown, it will come to this block, it will be executing file not found exception and clean code. Okay, so only one exception will be handled at any point of time, though you are throwing 3 or 4 exceptions from here. Okay, okay, hope this video is useful for your Java interview preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. Thank you. If you like this video, please press the like button.